Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all the finished jewelry for my bargain bead box for June Summer Sunrise. I wanted to show you still, I had I made 4 necklaces with 3 pairs of earrings. Now one of the necklaces has got other beads in it as well from another bead box. I kind of combined, I think it was dollar bead box. I'll look at that. But I still have all of this jewelry left over. I think I used maybe a little more than half the box. I still have so much left over. I did not use the orange ones. I did not use the yellow ones yet. I didn't use these beautiful agate teardrops. I'm sure I will be adding these to stuff as the months go on because, you know, I just will because these are gorgeous. Just this has been like a crazy month and, you know. So, yeah, I keep them in the bag. I have a little, what do you call it, a little shelving unit. And, like, I have just my extra, I'll show you, like, my extra ones from my bargain bead boxes I keep in here. I just keep them in here with the paper in there so I remember what's what, because sometimes I'll pull them out just to use them. Sorry, I have a chair underneath my desk. I'm moving it right now because it's in the way. So, without further ado, I will show you. So this was my first one, these cherry beads. Oh my gosh. I absolutely loved them. So I did this, and then this beautiful bead. I think this was agate bead. It just looked, the piping in this matched exactly with these beads. So I did this, and then I used my 11-0 or my 8-0 matte black seed beads in between, and these soft rose gold spacers just to break up the color and break up everything. And then I made and then I used copper for my lobster clasp and everything. And then I just made these little earrings to go with it. So it's a mixture of copper and rose gold. But yes, I love the way this turned out. And this is like a choker. Maybe a teeny bit lower than a choker, but I ended up, it was funny because the beads were all so beautiful in this box. And I ended up separating them all. And I didn't realize that, like, I was being drawn to like one set of beads for one set and then another for another set. And I didn't realize it till I was a couple videos in. I'm like, well, I guess I separated all of these. So I didn't use them together, and I, you know, watched a couple of the other beaders, and they used all the beads together to make, you know, beautiful jewelry, and I was like, why didn't I do that? So yeah, so that was the first one, or one of them. I think the first one was this was a big hit. I was very grateful. Everybody really liked this. This was my sun pendant choker necklace that I made. And I will leave the links to all of the tutorials. I have 3 tutorials from this video, or from this month's box. So I did the sun pendant, and I turned it into a choker, and then I attached right here behind a little bit of chain, so when you're wearing it, you can see that little bit of chain dangling. It's kind of hard to have it laying down and looking. Then I just doubled up on the chain, and I just added this 2 color of beads with it because I thought they looked so pretty. And then I also took the smaller little sun charms and I made a pair of earrings to go with it. So this is like a very celestial, summery set. So I did this. And then, let me move this to the side. Then I did this. This was another video that I made, tutorial I made. And I took the pink agate with the gold rim. And then I wrapped it with the pink agate beads. And then I added, let me see. I think these are the beads I used. I'm trying to think what beads these are. Yeah, I think these are them. So then I added the gold spacers in there, as you can tell. Then I used these 3 different colors because I wanted the pink, but I wanted a teeny bit of color to pop out from it. Kind of reminds me of like cotton candy. So I did the 11-0 transparent rosaline, and then the 11-0 turquoise dark aqua, and then the 11-0 transparent gold. So I thought these would be really pretty with this. So it gave it a really summery look. So, and then I just kind of have this dangling so this moves around there. And then I use the gold spacer beads in between to make this beauty. I loved the little seed bead up at the top. Thought this turned out so pretty. And then my last but not least one, now this one I mixed it with dollar bead box. So I took, this is one, well, this is a mixture of everything. This is one of the Jesse James beads, just one of their beautiful boho beads. And the purple beads in this are from the purple strand that we got. But then I think these are dollar bead box. These are dollar bead box. These are my own, the white ones. I'm trying to think, yeah. And then I had these little leftover gray hearts that were so pretty. And I wanted one little other pop of color in this. So I did this, and then I took the pink seed beads and I put them along there. And then I did these cute little earrings to go with it. So this is just like a really fun set. And then I had these 2 little green beads that were left over. I like just like sometimes, like I have this is still left over from a Jesse James bead box from a while ago. And I just kind of leave them here, and I'll just, you know, put them in to add them in just to give a little bit of pop of color or something. So yeah, so this was the other one. So this was like maybe 1/3 of the dollar of bargain bead box, and the rest dollar bead box, I guess you could say. So yeah, so this is all the jewelry that I made. I mean, when you think about it, I think it's $17.95 a month and free shipping. That is insane. And look at all of this that I made out of this. I got these, I made 1, 2, 3, I'd say 3.5 necklaces, because this wasn't all of it, but I have so much left still. And then 3 pairs of earrings. So you can't beat this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me. I have so much more coming up. Some ideas for some new tutorials and stuff like that. So, and I will leave the links below I will leave the link to Bargain Bead Box below, and I will leave a link to all of my social media, my Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and my Etsy store. And I do post on Twitter a little bit, but not that much. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on my next one. You'll have a great day. Thank you for watching.